Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you know that the Prophet ﷺ used to do wudu with a measuring scale called mud, which equals to around 680 or 88 milliliter, you will realize, like me, that most of us unfortunately use much more than what's required. This encouraged me to think of the way I'm using water during wudu, and I decided to do a simple change just by turning off the water tap between each step of wudu. And I measured the amount I used before and after the change. The result for me was quite astonishing, and I would like to share this result with you. Let's see. دي الطريقة الأولانية. لتر ونص. ثلاثة لتر. 3 لتر و200 ملي تقريبا. نبدأ بالطريقة الثانية. فيها تقريبا 600 ملي. About 5 times the amount, and over one day it's 13 liters difference, and over 1 month astonishingly it's 390 liters difference. As you can see, I managed to reduce the amount almost to the fifth with this simple change. If you ponder on this, you appreciate the measures the Prophet ﷺ took 14 centuries ago to protect the environment and save water. He didn't do this only by his act, he emphasized this in more than one situation. For example, when he was passing by one of his companions, Sa'd, may Allah be pleased with him, he asked him. Sa'd was doing ablution by the side of the river, and the Prophet ﷺ asked him, Sa'd, why are you wasting such amount of water? And Sa'd astonishingly asked, could there ever be wastage if water was used for the purpose of wudu? And the Prophet ﷺ replied, yes, even if you are by a flowing river. In another situation, one of the Bedouin Arabs came to the Prophet ﷺ and wanted to learn how to do ablution. And the Prophet ﷺ showed him the ablution steps one by one, each time 3 times, and then he said something amazing. He said, this is how wudu is done. If you exceed that, then you've committed an act of evil, you've done wrong, and you exceeded the amount. So, reflecting on this, we learn first that by following the Prophet ﷺ, it helps us to avoid being obsessed, as we see many people who tend to repeat the steps of wudu more than 3 times. So by knowing this, we protect ourselves from obsession. More importantly, we need to remember that water is a great provision from God. If we abuse water, we risk this provision to be removed, like what happened in the people of Sabah, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provided them with lots of things, and unfortunately they were ungrateful and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala punished them by removing the provision. So may Allah help us to protect the environment, save water, follow the Prophet ﷺ, and be thankful to God. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.